Welcome to my channel, and thank you for clicking on this video because you didn't have to, but while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 3, aka 25 days with Carlisha and family. So today we're going to be doing DIYs. We have, let me see, 1, 2, 3. I think 3 DIYs today to do. And hopefully this don't take long. But they're fun DIYs, so you're going to enjoy it. So the first DIY we're going to do is snowflakes with paper bag, brown paper bags. So of course you're going to need brown paper bags. Hot glue gun, some scissors, and this is optional, but some white spray paint. I'm going to spray paint mine. You don't have to spray paint yours. And I think I need some yarn or some kind of screen that you can use to hang them. Okay, so we're gonna get started with the first DIY. Okay guys, what we're gonna do is take up to 6 to 8 bags. I think I'm gonna take 6. I think the more you take, the bigger the snowflake is, but I'm gonna take 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do 6 at a time. Okay. You're gonna turn it on this side, and you're going to make a T across. Just a T, and put the next bag on top. Okay, let me put another one. Make a T across and then go down. I hate when my glue stick running out. Which makes a T, put another one on top. And then you're going to continue to do that. Okay, now that I got them all glued together, we're going to cut across. Cut across. And then cut this part. Okay. And then cut this part. Okay. I'm going to cut slit here and the slit here. Do it, turn it around and do it on the same side. I cut that one farther down. The size is a little harder to cut. Okay, and then you open it up. See, you got a snowflake. Whoa! Open it up. See, and this is why I said I want only 6 because it's already big. And then we're gonna take it and put glue down this way after you open it up, and then glue it together. you have a pretty snowflake that you can hang up. I'm going to slightly spray paint mine. So I'm gonna make some more, and then we'll go outside and spray paint them. Okay, now that we got all of them done, we did 8 of them. Just gonna spray paint, not a lot, just a little bit. Okay guys, so while the snowflakes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and start the next DIY. I'm going to do some lollipops, Christmas lollipops. And the things you're going to need is red tape, white or red pool noodles, whichever color you prefer, and I got these broomsticks to insert on them in the ground as a lollipop stick. And of course you're going to need your hot glue gun. I think you need, for all these DIYs, you need your hot glue gun. So you need your hot glue gun. I got a high temperature hot glue gun, and I think that's about it. No, one thing. You need some bows to put on there. And that is it. So let's get this DIY started. We're going to wrap this tape around this pool noodle like diagonally all the way down. Doing is you're going to start rolling your pool noodle. Put glue here and start rolling. Now this is going to take a lot of patience. And each time you roll, put glue on it. I'm going to hold it like this until I think it's dry. Okay, at this point I'm going to put, I'm still holding it because I don't think my glue is fully dried. Because when I try to lift it up, it's coming up. So I'm going to use my, it don't can't loose. Hold on. I'm going to use my glue gun to put holes on the bottom of this. Ooh. Just like this, got a hole in it. And then I'm going to put this part with the hole in it, not the part that you can screw in the ground, not that part, but the other part. And I'm going to start pushing this through here. I forgot to let y'all know that you're going to use clear wrapping paper. You're going to cut this, put it over it, like so. And here is your Lollipop. These things are expensive in the store. So everything that I got, everything that I use to make this is from Dollar Tree. So make your own. And that's it. We're going to move to the next DIY. We're on our last DIY. And what you're going to need is these little Christmas towels, the dollar towels from Dollar Tree. Again, your high temperature, hot glue gun, some glue sticks. And if you want to use the E6000 glue, you can use it on top of the hot glue sticks if you wanted to make sure that it stays. And you're gonna need some cotton, some stuffing. What is this called? Either way, it's pillow stuffing. And this is the only thing that I didn't get from Dollar Tree. I got this from Walmart, and I think it was like $3. If they sold this at Dollar Tree, I would get it at Dollar Tree. But you can also go to Dollar Tree and get the cotton balls. You can also stuff these with cotton balls if you just want to go everything Dollar Tree. Get the cotton balls. Get like 5 or 6 bags of cotton balls. But by that time, you could have got this for like $3 or $4. So that's why I did that. So we're going to make some pillows. Little decorative pillows. And also, if you want to sew this, you can. But I felt like I wanted to do an easy DIY for you guys. But if you have a sewing machine, you can go ahead and sew it. So, we're going to put one pillow down like this. And mind you, if you want to get the towels that have the decorated stuff going this way instead of this way, because my pillow, most likely I'm going to have my pillow laying this way, the tree, so that means the tree is going to be going this way, but I'm fine with that. Okay, you're going to lay one. Let's put this down here. You're going to lay one of the towels down, right side down, and the back side up. Then you're going to take another pillow. And then we're going to put the right side up and the back side down. What I'm going to do is start gluing the edges. You're going to do this fast because hot glue stick, they dry fast. So we're going to start just going all the way down the towel. Make sure you get the corners. And pushing it down on the side. Make sure you line them up good. Flip it and start stuffing it with the cotton. think it came out so cute. A cute way to get yourself some holiday decor, because in the store the pillow's like, I think the pillow that I wanted was like 12 bucks, and I just made a pillow for $2-3. You can't beat that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make me some more, and then I'm gonna set everything up and show you guys all the DIYs that we did today. Hey guys, I'm done with everything, so I'm about to show you all the DIYs we did today. Okay, so here's the snowflakes. I put them up already. Have some, they all in this area. These are the pillows. I don't know if I want to leave those there or take them outside. Let me show you guys, because I have to go outside anyway to show you guys the Lollipop. Let's take this. So I don't know if I want to put it here. You can barely see, and sit it so we can have some like pillows outside in the chair. I don't know how I want to do that, but we got the pillows we made, and here is the Lollipops. They came out so good. So that's everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, come back tomorrow for another video. Bye.